Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Monday, January 6, 2025. 96 farm workers, 12 of whom are first-timers, departed Jamaica for Canada under the Seasonal Agriculture Workers Program on Friday. The workers will be assigned to agricultural operations across locations in Ontario and New Brunswick, such as Leamington, West Lorne, Thetford, Brantford, Northampton, Arkona, and Delhi. Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. was at the send-off ceremony at the Ministry's Overseas Employment Centre in Kingston.
I'm pleased today to be able to say that after 3 years of decline, we are now seeing an uptick in the numbers of farm workers traveling on the program, which is a positive thing. And it is a reflection of the hard work that is being put into ensuring that the program is sustainable.
Senior Trade Commissioner Michael Lazaruk, who spoke on behalf of the High Commissioner of Canada to Jamaica, Mark Berman, affirms Canada's commitment to collaborating with the Jamaican government and Canadian employers. This is to ensure the continued success and benefits of the program for all involved.
To the almost 100 workers departing for Canada today and the thousands more that will soon follow, I would like to say Canada greatly values your hard work and the important contributions that you make year after year to our farms and by extension to our economy and our society.
Meanwhile, a total of 14,434 Jamaicans were placed in jobs abroad last year under the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's Overseas Employment Program. Acting Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Labour and Social Security Dion Jennings revealed that of this amount, 8,255 workers, or 57%, travelled to Canada under the Seasonal Agricultural Workers Program. Ms. Jennings urged the departing workers to be exemplary ambassadors for Jamaica.
The only burden you bear in participating in this program is to ensure that you represent us well.
State Minister Dr. Norman Dunn, meanwhile, spoke of the program's benefits to participants.
First-timers, you have the legacy to carry on. You have to continue to fly the name of Jamaican workers high, because the Jamaican worker is known to be hardworking, disciplined, dedicated, and committed to his task and self-motivated. These qualities are not lost on the Canadian employer, and so they continue to participate in this program, requesting persons to return year after year. Prime
Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says his administration will be making several policy and legislative changes to streamline procurement, permits and approvals across government. This is to facilitate the ease, speed and cost of doing business. Those plans were shared in his recent New Year's message.
Many of the obstacles faced by businesses and citizens doing business are old legacy requirements whose relevance have expired, but their continued existence has never been questioned.
The Prime Minister spoke extensively on the reform process to reducing red tape and bureaucracy at the launch of the next chapter growth agenda dubbed Aspire. Dr. Holness says regulatory and tax processes will be streamlined to encourage investments and simplify operations for businesses of all sizes. He says a new EPOC, the Efficiency Program Oversight Committee, will be introduced to drive progress.
We must re-engineer our processes to ensure that they are fit for purpose, streamlined, responsive, and able to meet the needs of a modern, growing economy.
And finally, students across several high schools benefited recently from a mathematics camp organized by the Ministry of Education, Youth, Skills and Information. The aim is to help prepare students for the upcoming Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate (CSEC) exams and also improve the pass rate for math. Held from December 16 to 19, the camp focused on key mathematical concepts and problem-solving techniques, providing hands-on experience and personalized instruction. Portfolio Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon engaged the students at the Tarrant High School, where only 11% of fifth form students passed math in the 2023 CSEC exams. The national pass rate is 39%, and Minister Morris-Dixon says she is hoping the initiative will help boost student success in future exams.
In maths, there is reasoning, and it helps your brain to think in a particular way. When you're thinking about the algebra part of maths, It's really just simplifying some of the bigger elements that you are seeing. And so if you see the letters, don't let that stop you from understanding the maths, because what you've done is that you've just moved from this to this.
The Education Minister says the camp is part of the National School Learning and Intervention Plan, which benefits 56 schools across the island. Meanwhile, Tarrant High School says it will host its annual 2-week Easter Mathematics Camp next term to provide further assistance. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.